Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Working Beauty. It's your girl Destiny, and today we're going to be doing another hairstyle on ourselves. So go ahead and acquire that comb, get you some gel, a couple of scrunchies, and most importantly, determination, patience, and some moral support. Because when doing your own hair, it's always going to be some type of struggle along with it. So I'm here for y'all, and y'all are here with me. So let's go ahead and tackle this hairstyle together. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on into the video. So this is the look we are going for today. I got this off of Pinterest. We're going to try to achieve that. So the first thing we're going to be doing is parting our hair from ear to ear so we can have our top section and our front section and our back section, because I like to work the front and then I like to section off the back. So now that we finished parting from ear to ear, we're going to go ahead and start with our front parts. You've seen how she had kind of, I want to say, swoopy parts, squiggly. Yeah, they weren't straight, so we're trying to get it like that. And honestly, the parts is what took me the longest. The braiding portion is easy. Parting your hair is always, it's the hardest thing. It's the hardest part of the hairstyle. It's the hardest part for me. I know I see some of y'all part y'all own heads like a pro, so kudos to y'all. But I like to pre-part or pre-section my hair before I even start braiding, because it makes it a lot easier for me, and I can map out how it's gonna look basically. So if I don't like it, I don't have to take out a braid. I can just fix the part. Yeah. So now we are done sectioning off the parts in the front. You see how they look? Kind of similar to hers, except I have more at the top of my head. So now we're gonna get to the back. So with the back section, we're gonna split that into two parts, because I think I seen 2 rows of braids in the back of her head. So that's what we're gonna do. And this, like I said, this parting, especially in the back, caused me so much issues. That's why it's also good to have a mirror. I used to have that mirror in front of me, and then I have the mirror on my desk. This is what it looks like after I split the section in 2. So now we're gonna get ready to part that section off. So I already have 1 braid right there. So we're gonna just split that into they're gonna be kind of like thick box braids, but we're gonna be cornrowing it down. That makes sense. Yeah. So I finished the bottom section. I sectioned it off. Now we're gonna go to that top row, and then I just braid it off to keep it out the way, as I've been doing with all the other braids. So here's how all the parts look. Got the front section, and then there's the back. Remember, I said I like to do this because it helps. It makes it easier for me to braid. That's pretty much it. So now we're ready to braid up the back. I already got 1 braid done. So when you're doing the back braid, it's pretty much like a cornrow. You just, instead of starting at the very top of your head, you're just already in the back. So if you already know how to do a cornrow on yourself, it's not gonna be hard. But I will probably go into more detail on how I do it sometime later. Not this video though, but I will. And when you're doing this, I suggest adding hair every time you switch from each hand. I did it like every time I got to my right hand, but it'd probably be better if you did every time. Oh, and to make this even easier, I suggest you guys get a braiding rack so you can already have the hair pre-separated from the small strands to the big strands. It makes it a lot easier and a lot less mess. And also, like I said, with those 2 mirrors, I got the mirror in front of me, and then I have one on my desk so I can see the back of my head. So 2 mirrors really helps you see what you're doing. Really helps when parting, seeing if your braid is going in the right direction. But yeah. So that's the whole bottom row done. and then that's the whole top.
We are halfway done with our hair, y'all. I know braiding up that back was a hassle, but you know what? Good job. Now we gotta get the front done. We almost done. We already can feel ourselves. So let's get on into it.
So again, like I said, to do in the back, you want to make sure you're adding hair each time you get a free hand. I think I did it in the front. I just didn't do it in the back. And you also want to make sure you're braiding down tight, because you don't want to have a nice looking braid but poofy hair under it, and then it just won't look right. So I had to take down a couple of braids because of that, but yeah, make sure you're gripping tight. Your hands are always as close to your scalp as possible. So this is the finished look, the front and the back.
I decided to change it up just a little bit because I feel like it wasn't thick enough, because I like having more hair in my head. So I added some free tress crochet hair, a little bit of gold, and a little show to give it a little more something. Here's the back. I feel like it made my head look weird. Here's the side. Here's the back. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
So remember, this is the reference picture, and then this is what it looks like. Tell me what y'all think. She was cute. I think I ate this hairstyle up. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as I say again. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.